Now, if I've convinced anybody so far to consider branding themselves and their last names, please hit down below. Hell yeah. Comment down below, hit the like, and hit a subscribe because I'm going to have more content to come. I gotta start talking straight to you guys. Y'all not hearing me. I'm trying to tell you guys there's money out there for us, and I'm gonna get it. I mean, you either gonna come with me or I'm gonna leave you behind because a bitch is on a roll. Alright, I'm gonna tell you more about my journey in another video, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and say, hell yeah, let's get this money. And some of you can take the bigger role, and some of you can take a little milder role in a social media influence. You don't have to do it all platforms, just one or two platforms. Something that you're comfortable with, that you observe all the time. But just keep hanging with me. I'm gonna tell you how each platform affects you personally and how we can get this money and the information I've learned from it. Stay tuned.